Hi guys! Today's lesson will be about how to enhance your photography with some cool effects and tricks. By the end of this video, you guys should be able to take some awesome portraits of a family member or someone in your home. For this video, my older sister volunteered to model and I used a smartphone to take the pictures. But you could really use any camera that you have. Let's get started! Alright, so first, to style your model and your picture, I suggest using some clothing and accessories. So I brought some hats, headbands, fun heart-shaped sunglasses, flower crown, and I have some see-through materials like scarves and dresses. We're going to use those later. So with the see-through fabrics, I'm actually going to put them in front of the lens, as you'll see soon, and you can make some really cool effects and filters. You don't need to have all of these materials, of course, but I suggest using it if you do. I also brought in some fun sun hats. Alright, next up are some more technical materials. You can use a clamp, a mirror, any type of lights that you have. I had a few. If you have these spotlights or focus desk lamps, those work really well. I also happen to have some colored bulbs. I had red, blue, and orange, so I'll be using that, but it's okay if you don't have it. I also had some thumbtacks. I was using these with the clamps to hold up materials and backgrounds that I'm going to use, and I brought some colanders. You can make some really cool effects with light when it goes through the colanders, which is why it helps to have that focus desk lamp. I also had a box of materials and yarns. Bigger pieces of fabric work best for backgrounds, but you can also use blankets, or maybe you have larger pieces of clothing that you can use. If you don't have anything like that, you can always just take pictures in a room.
Make the bum bum beat, I'll give you melody. Make the bum bum beat, I'll give you melody. Make the song so sweet, you gon' come home with me, oh.
The heart, we got the soul. Just when the world's saying they got no hope, here comes the love. We got audio. I'm flying high, superhero. S on my chest with my Marilyn Monroe. Feel like a star, 'cause we got audio. Make it go.
Make the bum bum beat, I'll give you melody. Make the bum bum beat, I'll give you melody. Make the song so sweet, you gon' come home with me, oh. Make the bum bum beat, I'll give you melody. Make the bum bum beat, I'll give you melody. Make the song so sweet, you gon' come home with me, oh.
That audio.
Thanks for watching! Can't wait to see your unique family portraits, and I hope you and your family have fun with this. In the YouTube bio below, I have another link with some more photo hacks that you could try, since I couldn't demonstrate them all. Be well, and I'll talk to you soon.